Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I hope the week has been good for you and that things are kind of coming back to what was, before things got a little weird around Marin and all the neighboring areas with fire and PG&E and all that great stuff. So here we are. We're finishing up race. Hopefully it was a very profound, interesting week for you. I mean, profound, who knows, but hopefully you learned a lot about kind of the social construction of race, and hopefully the film was good. Please share that film with people in your lives. It's really important for, it's a bit of kind of information that everyone ought to know. Race is social construction, we're all one race, all that good stuff, really important. Could be a game changer in terms of how we live our lives as a culture if we chose to let it be. Sex and gender, another stratifying element of society. Every society is stratified by gender, with men being the dominant group and women being the subordinate group. So it's important to kind of learn about that, think about that. You're going to have the reading from the book. You're going to have different, you're going to watch Justin's TED Talk. You're going to do a few different things related to sex and gender. And you're going to think about gender as non-binary, which is really important too. You have a little Killing Us Softly clip, and you're going to watch the film Straight Laced, which is about gender. It's a Northern California film made in the last 8 years or so, and it kind of speaks to gender as a social construct and kind of sometimes how absurd it is that we gender police so much and for so many odd reasons. So make sure you get this film because it's part of the discussion post. Let's see, what else? Oh, I wanted to let you know that I removed social movements as a topic from our class because we missed basically a week. And so rather than tack it on as, having to fit it in a partial week, I instead just decided to pull it. So sex and gender and the family are the last two kind of content areas that we're going to be using this semester. So the final exam will be on 4 separate chapters. The global stratification, race, sex and gender, and the family. So that'll be the final material. It will be a non-cumulative final, and it'll be based on that. All right, so if you have questions about that, obviously email me or reach out to me. Any of the content in the book is yours to have if you download the PDF. So there's about 20 chapters in there, and we didn't get through all of them. So they're yours for the taking, just to educate yourself. If you're interested in sociology, it's a good starting point. Yeah, so that's that, and I hope you're all well, and I look forward to reading your race post this week and then your gender post the following week. Thank you so much. Take care.